On today's video, I bring to you the solution to that your hair problems like hair fall, thinning hair, weak hair breakage, slow hair growth, itching scalp. This remedy also will help to regrow your hair in crown section, thicken up your hair, regrow your edges, and give you that faster crazy hair growth. This remedy is a mind-blowing. Please watch this video to the end. If you really want to solve that your hair problems, you need to watch the video to the end to get all the instruction on how to prepare this and also how to use it for that best results. First thing, I bring my rice, and this type of rice I will make use of. Use any type of rice you have at home. I pour my rice into this bowl. Next thing, I pour in water to rinse it out. If you really want to solve that your hair problem, if you really want to boost your hair growth, please you need to watch the video to the end. There is a lot to learn in today's video. This video will shock you. The recipe on today's video is a mind-blowing, so you don't need to skip it, okay? So after washing my rice, the first one, I throw away the water. The next thing, I pour in water again, but the water I'm pouring in this time around is warm water. It's not hot water, just warm water, okay? So I'll be rubbing my hand on it, rubbing my two hands on it. What I'm trying to do now is to bring the nutrients, bring out the nutrients of this rice into the water. As you can see, the water have started changing in color into a milk color. At this moment now, the rice have released the nutrients into the water. So it take a while before it can get to this level, okay? It take me up to 5 to 7 minutes before I get to this level. It's very important that you get to this stage, okay? Make sure that your rice water is coloring this milk before you can stop rubbing your hand on it. You can use your one hand or two hand, okay, and they are good to go. So after then, I bring my jar container and I bring my shifter to pour in the rice water into this jar. What I need is only the rice water. I do not need the rice itself, okay? Just the water, okay? The milk rice water, that's what I need, okay? After pouring it in, I'm going to keep the rice away, okay? I can boil the rice and eat it. So the next thing I'll bring now is my bay leaf. This recipe is very effective. There is nothing, you don't need to skip this, okay? This recipe, if you want to grow that your hair faster, you need to try this recipe and you will never regret it. After adding my bay leaf, I add like up to 6 to 7 pieces of bay leaf. Next thing, I add my lavender essential oil. If you have more essential oil, you can also add it. I'll cover this up very tight and keep it away to infuse overnight. Yes, keep it in a cool dark place to infuse for overnight. After overnight, meaning the 24 hours, this is what I have so far. As you can see, the water, the milk color has settled down, so I need to shake it up so that everything can mix together. This recipe is something that you will never regret trying. This is a game changer for those that want to stop hair fall, hair breakage, that want to thicken up their hair and also regrow their edges and also boost that crazy faster hair growth. So after putting it in, I'll pour the remaining one in my jar container. I'll keep it aside in the fridge, and the one in the spray bottle is the one that I'll be using. So I will demonstrate to you how to use this to get that crazy result you're supposed to achieve, okay? So I'm in the bathroom now to show you how to use this to get that crazy results. So the first thing that you need to do to use this recipe is what? Use it on a fresh wash hair. First of all, shampoo your hair first before you use this. Do not use this on a dirty hair. If you really want to get the best results, don't use it on a dirty hair. Use this on a fresh wash hair. I repeat, use this on a fresh wash hair. So I'm going to spray it all over my hair, but later on you see that I pour this on a bowl to pour it on my hair. It's like the spray is delaying me, okay? I really want this to really saturate on my hair very well. I want this to penetrate on my hair very well. This is the way to get the best results, okay? Guys, bay leaf is a natural remedy that will help you to grow your hair like crazy. Bay leaf is very effective in boosting that crazy hair growth. Likewise, rice water, they are very great combination. This recipe will really grow your hair like crazy. If you don't want that faster hair growth, if you are not ready to stop your hair fall, if you are not ready for your hair to become too thick for you to handle, if you are not ready for crazy hair growth, if you are not ready for thicker hair, do not use this recipe. This recipe will grow your hair like never before, okay? But if you are ready to thicken up that weak hair, if you are ready to thicken up that thinny hair, if you are ready to stop that hair fall, if you are ready to boost your hair growth faster, this remedy is for you. So after pouring it all over my hair, pouring it in that container and pouring it all over my hair, now I'm very satisfied that this have penetrated on my hair very well. I'll follow up with my scalp massage. It have not ended here. Please pay close attention and watch this video to the end so that you really understand the perfect way to use this recipe. If you do not know how to use this recipe, you will use it will not work for you. So you need to pay close attention to get the best way to use it, okay? Do not be in a hurry to log out in this video unless you are not ready to solve that your hair problem, okay? So I will massage my scalp properly, make sure my scalp is massaged very well. After massaging my scalp, I will move on to the next step. After massaging my scalp, I will tuck my ends away and use my cellophane nylon to cover up my hair so that I can trap some heat, okay? This part is very necessary. You can use your shower cap or your steaming cap, but I'll keep this on my hair for 45 minutes to an hour, okay? But I end up leaving mine for 1 hour because I'm so busy that day, okay? So after 1 hour, I'm back, okay? This have really penetrated on my hair very well. So next thing I will do now is to rinse it out. Don't use shampoo. I'm not using shampoo. I'm just using plain water to rinse it out. But after rinsing it out, there's something else that I need to do to make sure that this works perfectly well on my hair. That's why I say you should not skip this video. If you really want to get that best results, don't skip this video, okay? This video will help you to solve that problem. Believe me when I said it will help you to solve that your hair problem. So after rinsing it out of my hair, next thing I bring my deep condition. You can use any deep condition of your choice. What I use now is my Mega Grow deep condition. Any deep condition you have at all, you can use it. Please make sure that you follow this step, okay? This step is very necessary. Do not skip deep condition your hair, please. Especially for the first time you use it, make sure that you deep condition your hair, okay, before you move on to the next step, okay? So after deep condition my hair, I'm going to tuck my hair away again and I will leave it for 15 minutes this time around because this condition say 15 minutes. I'm rushing, I have somewhere to go, that's why I leave it for that 15 minutes, okay? But 15 minutes is okay. So after 15 minutes I'm back, okay? Next thing again is to rinse it out again on my hair. So make sure that you rinse out the deep condition on your hair properly, okay? So that you don't have leftover deep condition on your hair. It's very necessary. After rinsing out the deep condition on my hair, do you see how my scalp feel? My hair feels so good. My hair feels so soft. So amazing. So I bring my t-shirt to dry out excessive water on my hair before I move to the next step. Next step is to moisturize my hair. It's very necessary you follow up with moisture routine immediately you use these products. Use your moisture routine to moisturize your hair. I'm using my Mega Growth leave-in condition. After then, I'll follow up with my hair growth oil. This recipe is a game changer. This recipe I share with you will grow your hair like crazy. How many times can you use this to get best results? Use it once in a week, okay? And your hair will never remain the same. If you use it, it's not every week you use it you will deep condition your hair unless you are washing your hair that day. Like as I use it now, I wash my hair before I use this recipe. So that's why I follow up to deep condition my hair. The first day you use this recipe, make sure that you deep condition your hair. If you're washing your hair once in 2 weeks, you can only deep condition your hair the first week that you use it. Okay, the second week, just use this recipe the way I just show you. After rinsing it out, moisturize your hair. Do not deep condition your hair unless your wash day again. I hope you understand me, so that if you continue deep condition your hair every week, it can lead to protein overload, and that is not good. Okay, don't deep condition your hair always while using this recipe. Please do not deep condition your hair always. Deep condition your hair the first time you are using it. The second week you are about to use it, do not deep condition your hair. The third week, you can now deep condition your hair. I hope I'm making sense. So after doing that, moisturize your hair and allow your hair to air dry. Okay, the remaining rice and the bay leaf, I put them in the fridge. Okay, so that I can also use them up to 3 to 4 times before it will finish, and I'll make another one. This recipe will help to grow your hair like crazy. It will help to stop your hair for thickening up your hair. Guys, there's no joke on this recipe. If you are looking for that remedy that will help to boost your hair growth, please use this recipe and you see a great change on your hair. So I hope that this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please help me to like this video. It really encourages me to put more good content out there, and also it helps the growth of the channel. And please share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video and grow their hair to their heart desire. I hope that this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. If you have any question to ask me, please feel free to drop your question in comment section below. Bye.